Guys, I wish you could smell this one. The big one. It smells amazing, and it's rising and falling every day, so I think I'm going to try and bake with it again. Mainly just because I think that it didn't work the first time because I am not an experienced sourdough baker, and so I don't think I did the whole, I've been reading more, I don't think I did the whole autolus stage properly in the folding and the stretching and all that stuff, so here's to trying again. It smells so good. Hold on, get it to focus. Look at those bubbles. The bubbles. This guy, on the other hand, still has bubbles, but it still smells so strongly of acetone, and I keep like dumping half of it out and then feeding it some more, and it's just bleh. Alright, so this is kale. This is, who knows what it is. This is unlabeled because the label fell off. Whoops. These are zinnias. This is also a mystery because the label fell off. This is the Aurora Mixed Orange. It's got some really beautiful colors there. This is Swiss Chard. This is Slotty Land Chamomile. And this is the Spiel Arten mix, I think. And I can see just a couple little dots of green right here. Right there. So that means that this is arugula because that's the only thing that it can be. Right? Oh, no, that's not true. I have two missing. So one is arugula and one is endive frise. I'm not sure which one is which. So once their real leaves pop up, I'll be able to tell you. I guess I could Google it and see which one has which seedling. But one is arugula and one is endive frise. And we've got Celtis. I'm excited about that Celtis. I'm growing this specifically for my mother-in-law, so if she sees this, the surprise is out of the bag, but I don't think that she watches these on a regular basis. This is turnips. All those are radishes. Black Spanish, Chinese red meat, watermelon. That one back there is a lady slipper. This one is a plum, and this one is French radish. In here I've got rosemary, I've got thyme, and this is stevia, and none of these have sprouted quite yet. Which means up here I've got the toothache plant, feverfew, and anise. This one's anise. So this one's anise. I don't see anything popping up yet. This one is the toothache plant. And this one is feverfew, and I'm seeing some green and some little sprouts going on, so that's awesome. But I'm gonna go ahead and let them stay undercover for another day. Just a little update on my sourdough starters. This one that smells so badly of acetone, I fed it this morning. Look at that, all the way up to the top, that rise, wow. Still smells slightly like acetone, but it's so much better than it was. So I'm just gonna continue feeding this guy. Look at that, wow. Impressive. This one too. Not as much of a rise, but it's rising. Bearables. Those pretty bearables. Anyways, just had to show that.